MeghalayaPost.news.
Okay, bye-bye, my beautiful Meghalaya. Unfortunately, I have to leave this beautiful place, this magical place.
Shoh Jingieit cikadi ya ki Kshaid ki Rymphum ki Bodon hapo ka jalam Meghalaya bat ka deru ka jaka ka baskan bha namanta ki Nongwan jongok kai perthei ong uwi nong jongok kai perthei nakari Russia hadin bau lawan ban jongok kai perthei na ki than dauki bat ki than sora jong ka jalam Meghalaya ban penken mau dangshen ka jing penjak brom ka sonam raguwanci bat ki runar kalakta ya ka burom jong ka jalam Meghalaya rei da ka jing simkhia ki bor pulit ka jala lala ban semadan bat ban penpau ya ki jing sha halor ka jing sha penyap uraja raguwanci ubadei ukurem ka sonam Raguwanci kamdei setia balale de kibreu ka jala bat kadehi paladon keti da ka sonam bat kirunar na Madhya Pradesh bat Uttar Pradesh bahasa sisin kalawan rakyang ya ka burom jong ka jala Meghalaya kabadei da ka jing tibet ban pelong ya ka jing toket da ki bor pulit ka jala Meghalaya bat kiwe une unongwan jongok kai perthei balawan ban poi sha ka jala Meghalaya ula Shoh Jingieit ya ka Meghalaya ude balatip kerteng kum usergi doiki na ka jala ler montok not ko kasos jong ka ri Russia bat ulap lupor kum bas haus ngi ka jala Meghalaya da ka bau lalej ki than dauki kum haka Shngaìň pedeng bat ki than sora ban pej ya ki Kshaid ki baitenat bat ka jingking jiri lane ka double decker living road bridge hasora bat kiwi ki caka jong kai perthei usergi doingkin nakari Russia udeiru ubatrei menta la bun snam ha Bangladesh haka nuclear power plant bat hadin ka jing yok shuti ulawan sangkai perthei sa Meghalaya haka ba menta ulasa la sausngi ha Meghalaya bat menta kasngi ulah hiar sa Guwahati na Shillong da ka ba penungkam tang da ka bicycle na Shillong ban lech Guwahati haka jing yakren bat ui nong tok khobor hapo ka than nongpo une unong jong kai perthei napo kari Russia usergi doingkin ulaong banga Shoh Jingieit shisha ya ka jala Meghalaya ka badei ka caka kabadap de kilum ki ba itnat pat kadonru ya ki jing itnat pher jong ke maryang nadu ki Kshaid kiwa ki jingking jiri bat kiwe ngan sawan sangkai biang sya ka jala Meghalaya dang ayo por biang bat ngatip ba ka jala Meghalaya kadei ka jala ka basngan bha namenta ki nongwan jong kai perthei uloong ru ba ko khubor ka ba upunukam da ka bicycle ban lech Shillong bat cha go tiru kadei ka bang akwa banyu jingkot jingkhia kum kata ka jingkelan met bat ngasutnat ru ya ki kasi babun ki pulut por hai kam ya lakai sport khamtam ha kam ya lakai football ki badminton bat kiwe ki kam ya lakai sport loong.
My name is Sergey. I am Russian, so was born in the Russian Federation. Yeah. Came here actually from Bangladesh. This is Meghalaya, Nong, and in Bangladesh I'm working at a nuclear power plant. It is called Rupur NPP. It is in the west of the country, Rajshahi division. So now it is June, yeah. So Eid holidays. Muslims, they have Eid holidays, so their Eid holidays have already gone. They had 9 days, but during that time I came here. How I decided to come here? Yeah, there were previous Eid holidays in March. So during those holidays I was in Sylhet division. It is in the northeast of the country of Bangladesh. Yeah, it has borders to Meghalaya, to Tripura, to Nagaland, and so from there when I came to the border, Jaflong, Tamabil, I saw Meghalaya and I saw a couple of waterfalls, and that's what I really loved. You know, I fell in love with Meghalaya. By that time, there was a brainstorm. Oh, I should go to that side of the border. But unfortunately, to come here, yeah, you need a visa. So when I was on holiday in Russia, it was around a month ago. I decided to apply for a visa, for an Indian visa. I applied, so they approved it for me. I mean, the government of India or authorities, they approved, and then initially I came to Guwahati. It is Assam, capital of Assam. It is bordering Meghalaya. I stayed for 4 days around there in Guwahati. I did like it very much. I met very nice people there, and I did like the food. Yeah. I didn't go, unfortunately, to Kaziranga or somewhere else, only in Guwahati. I stayed only, I saw a little bit of Tipor Bill and Teopani waterfall. And then I went by my bicycle. Yeah, this is my passion actually. Yeah. I didn't come here by bicycle, don't think so. From Bangladesh, I went from Dhaka by plane to Kolkata, and from Kolkata, so my bike was properly packed. and wrapped. Then from Kolkata I came to Guwahati. So I love cycling. Why I love cycling? Because I always wanted to be a sportsman, yeah, and I want to stay fit. I'm trying to be. I'm already 40. I will turn a little bit later this month 41, and I want to be fit really. And cycling really helps to do that if you cycle carefully, yeah. So and also it is good for traveling in which aspect, yeah. For example, you can take taxi, yeah, and you can go, you will spend money, no problem. But there are some places where you cannot reach by taxi. But by bicycle you can reach if there are some narrow trails or something else. And by bike you can stop anywhere you want. By taxi maybe also, but it will cost you some more money, yeah. So traveling by bicycle is fine. And Meghalaya, why I like, yeah, why I would like to come here by bicycle, exactly because there are some uphills, downhills, and I like it. This is very essential for exercise, you know, for cycling exercise. In Bangladesh it is pretty boring, you know, there is a flat land, and you always go on flat land. It's very hot usually. Yeah, in winter you can cycle, yeah, but on flat land this exercise is not that effective, not that efficient. Yeah, I mentioned shortly in the beginning. I love, you know, I am from Russia, from south of Russia. There is mountainous area there. There are really high mountains, not like Himalaya, but still 5,000. There are mountains there, and there are also hills. Not like here, yeah, not very much similar, but there are. And so I'm cycling there also, but there are waterfalls there, but I didn't visit many of them. And here I saw waterfalls, and that's why I wanted to come here. Yeah, and I see that this state, yeah, Meghalaya, is not very big. Yeah, relatively small state. So maybe I a little bit overestimated myself. You know, I went maybe without this backpack, it's around 17 kilos like that. So maybe without the backpack, I would have gone further. Yeah, I would have visited more. But there are many things which I need. Yeah, there is a camera, couple of lenses, because I need to take pictures to have impressions here. I should have visited, I would have visited more, but unfortunately this is my last day in Meghalaya. I spent here 4 days in Shillong, and then from Shillong I went to Dauki. People are fantastic, really safe state. Several people told me, and I can really tell you that this is a safe state. I didn't see any crime. Well, 4 days is not enough yet to see crime. Yeah, I didn't see any accidents really. Yeah, there was one incident. Yeah, the landslide. Yeah, landslide. But landslides they happen in mountains. You know, mountains and hills where you have stones, and then there is rain. You know that. Yesterday there was. But otherwise, no offense really, not from anyone. No one told me anything. You know, no one called me any harsh words or something. Didn't insult me. How shall I say it? Very attractive people, very pleasant and hospitable. Good cuisine, I did like it. The only, which is surprising for me, so since Khasi people, they tend to be like more inclined to Chinese, so they have some Chinese food here, but they don't use chopsticks. This is a surprise for me, because Chinese, they use chopsticks. Chopsticks are also, the scientists say that this is useful for your brain. When you use chopsticks, your brain is working like this. Because with a spoon it is easier to eat. With a fork, with a knife, and then chopsticks you need already some skill like that. But otherwise, very good impressions, and hopefully I will come here again. Hopefully, because I didn't see everything. I saw maybe around 7 waterfalls, but you have maybe 70 waterfalls. I heard that some waterfalls were not discovered maybe, because your terrain is not very approachable, you know, not so much accessible, yeah, difficult terrain. And there is a cave here, I heard there is a long cave, I didn't visit it. There are other things, definitely attractive things, but I didn't. But I was kayaking in Shngaìň. I had a boat ride with swimming in Dauki. So anyway, bungee jumping I didn't try, unfortunately, yeah? But there is bungee jumping in Cherrapunji, so, like this. Okay, bye bye my beautiful Meghalaya. Unfortunately, I have to leave this beautiful place, this magical place. My next stop is Guwahati. I have to go there. From there, I will go to Siliguri. So northeastern India is big, still 7 states, and I have to visit some of them. Unfortunately, 5 days only here, in Meghalaya. But we'll see. Maybe I will come back, and we'll see you again.
MeghalayaPost.news